Alright, imagine this. You take one of the video transcript of your niche from YouTube video and take it to the free AI tool. So Grok 3, we are talking about Grok 3, it's entirely free. The highest and latest model, which is a Grok 3, while other companies like OpenAI and Claude, while they're making their premium models subscription based, Grok 3 is completely for free. We don't know when it's gonna be free, so till the time we have a chance to take leverage and use it for our SEO, which is why in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can do the same, replicate the same thing which I have done. Now what I've done is I search my keyword, which is a high level, right? And then I want to write a review on it. So I took this video transcript, and what I've done is I went to the Grok, so Grok 3 right here, and I have told, hey, I have written a blog about Go high level review, and take a look at it and score my SEO. So first I asked it to score my SEO and helpful content. So whatever I'm providing the transcript, because it will be in a first person perspective, I told it that is my blog written content, and after that you optimize my blog article in a very well written structure using my blog content, which is then I pasted the transcript, and then you can see that's it. And then it taught for 55 seconds and it pulled in the resources, scrapped bunch of 15 web pages, and we can also see what are these web pages. So right now you can see it has went to supply gym and it went to the Go high level website itself, right? And then it gave me the review of my original blog post, which is a 5 by 10. So not bad. And it went on, it telling me why the score is 5 by 10. So because the structure, the content is one long paragraph with no headings and subheadings. That's true, because transcript doesn't have headings, making it difficult for search engines to identify hierarchy and key topics. Alright, that's good. And then keyword placement, while you use some relevant terms, they aren't strategically placed. Example, in headings and repeated natural throughout to boost visibility. So this is a good one. And then readability, dense unbroken text reduces user engagement. So now this AI model is understanding the user engagement is number one thing when it comes to improving your search rankings, which can negatively impact SEO ranking. Of course, call to action, you include a link to a free trial. Again, it is asking me to link to a free trial, and for these reasons I would score 5 out of 10. It has potentially but needs better organization, keyword focus. And then it went on giving me helpful content, 6 by 10, organization, clarity and depth. And here's the optimized blog article, and you can see it has even produced FAQs and how this version improves. So what is the difference between, it is even telling me what is the difference between my previous version, which is a 5 by 10, to this version, which is scoring itself 8 by 10. Now this is a very, very thoughtful, because nobody scores 10 by 10, right? If I it doesn't even have an ego. I don't know about the other models, but it scored 8 by 10 for some reason. So your original content shines through, and you can take it to the doc, humanize it a little bit, and there you go, you have a complete blog article.